Howdy all you YouTube modelers out there. This Butch with BK Model Cars again. Here a while back ago, everybody knows I was looking for a tow vehicle for my boat. Yeah, turned two Chevys into gassers as opposed to a tow vehicle. And yeah, you've seen enough of the boat. It's same as it ever was. But this is my tow vehicle. We took the Dodge Ram Charger, cut the top off of it. Mounted a hitch on it. We put the equivalent of a 3-inch lift on the suspension, 1.5 on the body. Nothing special. I had to do some modifications. It was somewhat of a quick go together, so I didn't want to do a whole lot. Had to build a drop hitch. Trailer was too low. Didn't get my gas can painted, so it's not on there. But we had to hinge the door, or tire carrier. We also, jacking it up, we had to modify some of the other stuff on the bottom. I had to build my own shocks. It didn't turn out too bad. They even work. It slides up and down inside there. Same with the front ones. Engine's just stock engine. We didn't go muscle on this one. Uh-oh. Don't think it's going to happen. Didn't even wire it, nothing. So that's it. That's my tow vehicle for my boat. As soon as the top comes out of the purple pond, we will try and do not a vinyl, but a rough coat topper for on it, and that'll be that. So this Butch with BK Model Cars, we're gone.